Hearst to stay out of Charles Mansion. To Abraham Lincoln through the Tar Bridge expansion. Willis reads the map that marked the spot showing. On his left, George burns a blunt, William Holden. Tara banked the money that Shaka Khan before. Alicia Keys his car for giving Melba more. For the red fox, she brought up the block. Thought twice as Deborah cocked the gun cause she beat Kelly Price when Rosa parked the truck on the farm of Kim Fields. In the trip trying to walk the Lawrence Hills. Water dripped out of Ferris Fawcett in the glass. She was super fly, Curtis Mayfield her ass. Chris Tucker to a show, Ted Turner to a hoe. Robert digs the beat, but ain't feeling the flow. But he signed fast for half of Johnny's cash. Nia Long for the album to drop. Cameron Flash, Tom Sawyer at the Lucille Ball up in the foyer. Confronted Richard prior to hiring his lawyer. Suge Knight removed the ruck off the board. Don King was checked and Al Sharpton didn't store it. Wet and cream, I ain't wet and vain. Vain is the measure.